immigration is too high. What do you think?
If you end the free movement of people across Europe, which is mainly what UKIP and those that are concerned about this talk about, then what would happen the other way around? If we start saying to people from other parts of Europe living in Britain that they've got to go back home, what happens to those 2 million people living in France, Spain, Italy and other European countries?
What about those thousands of people in Calais desperate to get into Britain? Should we let them in?
We should let people into this country who are desperate to get somewhere safe to live. We should be properly supporting refugees. The numbers of people, refugees that go to Germany is far greater than any other European country, far greater. Germany has taken in a lot of refugees and actually done very well out of the economic contribution those people have made.